Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. In this week of celebration, just a few days away from the coronation of this handsome fella here, I think that it's only proper that I'm going to show you how to do coronation chicken. This chicken curry dish was originally served at the coronation of Queen Elizabeth II, and today I'm going to show you how to do this three ways. That is the classic salad, a sandwich, and jagged potato. I guess there's really just one thing left to say. God save the king. Okay, I may be taking this too far, but anyway, we'll start with poaching the chicken breast. Get the water to a boil and add the chicken. Bring it back to a boil and remove it from the heat. Next, add mayonnaise. Now add curry and some more curry, a bit of cinnamon and dried white raisins, all locally farmed in the UK. Next, add some mango chutney. This one is homemade. I know, look at me. But if you got the time, you can make it as well. Easy, just check the description. I mean, if only you could smell this. Mix, mix, mix. After 20 minutes, take out the chicken. And for the shredding of the chicken, you can use this little trick or use some forks. If you want it chunky, cut it with a knife. Add the chicken to the curry and combine. Season with pepper and some salt. And there you have your chicken base. Are you going to enjoy the coronation in the garden? Then add some lettuce to a plate and the chicken on top. Serve it with some bread. I know my wife would prefer this one. If you're more into a classic dinner coronation and want a hot meal as well, you can make some jagged potatoes. Prick holes in the potato, add olive oil. Now bake in the oven for 450 Fahrenheit or 220 Celsius for 20 minutes. Hereafter reduce the temperature to 370 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius and finish them off for 45 minutes. Slice them open and fluff. Add the chicken and season with bacon. Are you however the adventurous type and want to hit the streets of London? This one is for you. Toast a bun in butter, add lettuce and the chicken on top. Make an extra. Remember, sharing is caring. And there you have it. Coronation chicken 3 ways. Thank you for watching. And don't miss out on how to make the mayonnaise and the mango chutney. I'll see you next time.